From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Down 32 handles. The name of this video, S&P Sell Program Day, because that's all this thing was about. The high of the day came in at 2.054 even early. The low came in at 2.023 half late in the day. And last, we're 2.025 even. We're 2.025 half. We're down 32 handles. Total volume, 2 million minis trade and 4,500 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, the MIM was showing sell 660 million. The actual MOC came out sell 1.8 billion. And in SPX, it was sell 3.1 billion in implied. Tomorrow's the busiest economic day of the week, you guys. We've got the jobless claims number, we've got the retail sales number, we've got import-export prices, we have the business inventory numbers, we have the EIA natural gas report, we have a 5-year TIPS announcement, we have a 30-year bond auction, we have the Fed balance sheet, and last but not least, money supply. I really don't know what that means anymore. Money supply used to be a well-known number back in the 80s, but it just, I don't know what it does. But anyways, look at, I think what's happened here is you got a couple negatives floating around. There's a story about Draghi, not having the political might for any more further policy support, and that's not good because Europe is weak. And the other part of this is that oil dumped again. We sold off all the way down to 60.43. We're above 61 even right now as stockpiles rose. Crude oil doesn't look too healthy to me. I think like everybody wants to buy it, but I still insist that these are going to be short covering rallies are going to be met by bigger sellers. And then you look at, last but not least, or no, I'm not going to say last but not least. We started saying earlier in the week that if there was going to be a down week, it was going to be this week. So are we surprised? Not at all, because you know what? This plays right into the Pitbull's Thursday, Friday low the week before the D-Squad Witch. Now, the other part about it is that volumes have jumped. 1.9 million yesterday, they're going to do 2 million today. And what does that mean? That means that the sellers are back. And on top of that, that means that more buy stops will start to go back in. Now, does a down 32 handle day mean that the end of the world is coming? Excuse me, I don't think so. But at the end of the day, look, the S&P is long overdue for a pullback or a big sell-off. I just don't think we're going to get it. You know what I mean? I just don't. I think as we go into the seasonality of next week and the Quad Witch, and then we go into the Christmas holiday week, and then into the Santa Claus rally, we're going back up. So I'm going to leave it like that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print. Oh yeah, one last thing. For you guys listening to my videos, come on, do me a little shout out. Let me know that you're still there and looking and talking to me. I appreciate the feedback. Thank you.